Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this SQL script tutorial. In this today's tutorial, I will be discussing about the trim array function in SQL script. I'll be telling you what is this function and how does it work, and also I will be giving you an example in the system here so that you can easily understand what is the benefit of this function trim array. So before starting that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. So let me tell you the description of this function. Using this trim array, you can eliminate the elements from the end of an array. Suppose you are having an array with some value like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can if you want to eliminate the last two element or last three element, so you can easily eliminate by this function. Let me write the procedure here in the system so that you can easily understand how does it work. Suppose I'm creating a procedure and I'm writing the procedure name as array trim1, and I'm declaring a output variable. This is result, and result having table type, and it is having a field called ID and integer. And now I will write the language is by default SQL script, and the SQL security mode, suppose I'm declaring as invoker as begin. So now I will be declaring the one on variable of array type. So let me declare that. Declare array ID, and this is suppose integer type, and I'm constructing some data in it. So suppose this array is having data like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I will be using this function trim array in order to trim the last two elements. So let me write that statement. So this this array ID, and now I'm using this trim array. Then you are using this, you are applying this trim array on this variable that I declared here, and suppose we are going to trim the last two elements. And now if by this trim array you are just trimmed the value, now you have to show the data in the terms of table. So how can you do that? Suppose for that you have to use the unnest function. By the unnest function, then you can actually merge the data of an array into the table variable. So my here table variable is result, and I'm going to just do the unnest of this array ID. Also we can define the alias for that. Suppose I am having the alias as ID, and now we're going to finish it. And yes, now I will execute this procedure so that this procedure will be created. So let me just run the procedure right here in the system. Yes, there is no error, and this procedure has been created. Now I'm going to call the procedure. So to call the procedure, just write call and array trim1. So if I call the procedure now, what's gonna see, you will be seeing that the last two elements 4 and 5 will be eliminated from this array ID. So let me just execute this call statement. So if I now call this statement, you can see that ID is 1, 2, 3. So this last element, so the last element is being removed. So this is the main point of this function, that we can eliminate the elements from the end. So that's the main logic of trim array function, and I hope you have understood it very well. so you can easily use while you are using in your procedure. So thanks for watching, and please look into my other tutorial. I have given the link in the below description, and please do subscribe my channel, and have a nice day. Thank you.